The next piece is another olive tree piece that was turned first on a wooden lathe, creating the top round cup and the bottom round base, only to 3-axis machine the middle neck using 2 setups, from above and from below. The middle neck is 3-axis machined to form the Star of David out of 2 Penrose triangles, intertwined together. We see from the side the second setup after the first setup is complete. A 6mm ball end cutter is used in this case in the 2 above and below setups. We now see the last few seconds of 3-axis machining the Star of David shape during the second setup from above. Here is the final and finished piece. The next model is an Indian rosewood piece that was again first turned on a wooden lathe, forming the bottom base and the top cap. The middle neck is formed into Hylewicz style knot and is 3-axis machined from the outside towards the center due to the delicacy of the knot. We see the last few seconds of machining the second setup, completing the 3-axis machining process of this piece. For this knot model, we also show the CNC 3-axis simulation conducted using the free simulation software NC Sim. We started with a stock transparent and now it is opaque. The toolpath display can be removed for better visibility of the final part. We now jump to the other side, making sure the knot is machined from the outside in. Here is the final and finished piece with 2 different views of the same model. The olive tree piece is also formed out by first wood turning the cup and the base, but now the middle neck here is 3-axis machined to create a real knot. In fact, the 3-axis machining was incapable of reaching all locations, and manual carving was also required in this case. And here is the final and finished knot piece in 2 different views.